So, I mean, just before you get started, I want to just, how do you like my bush attire, Jim?
I think you're going to fit right into Greenwood.
Isn't it phenomenal that we can dress all bush and be, out in the open here in our beautiful little tiny city?
Absolutely. Eh?
We chose this location for a very specific reason, isn't it?
Yep, and we've been working on this for quite a few years now, so to see it actually come to fruition, it's just very, very exciting. So
you have to say what this is, because I can break the news, but I'd like to give you the chance, to tell the world out there. What are we talking about when we say this? What is?
We've never had a campground in Greenwood other than park your vehicle and take your water from the creek. Now we have 10 full service spots here where you can hook up for sewer and water and electricity and the best water of the world, of course, right?
That's not a tongue-in-cheek thing. It's about hit your horse, park your cart, and get stuff out of the creek. Yeah. Because it's not just about people got rich out of this creek, right. Didn't they?
Gold. Yeah.
Gold. So we're continuing a tradition in Greenwood, like come hit your wagon, park it downtown Greenwood, and come and experience a little bit of life. But I have a confession to make. I was one of the boondockers here 5 years ago where we drove through, and I said, hang on a second, U-turn, and I think we parked site number 3.
Did it have a number?
Yeah. Well, for me it was site number 3 because we parked 3 places, and then we decided that's the right place because that one is dodgy and that one was wet and that one so it's just a place that makes you turn around and come back. Greenwood tend to do that to people. You either don't like it, you just go through it, or you do that double take and you park your wagon, and the rest, as they say, is history. But the little place is always changing. There's a lot of change in the last year, and the good news we're trying to get out to the world is that we love COVID. So, sorry to put it that way. We love the disease, the big nasty, because suddenly places like Greenwood is becoming relevant. Is that your experience?
Exactly, and that's just look at the real estate changes here. A house goes for sale in Greenwood, and in about 3 days it's gone. And people are saying, I don't want to live in the city. I don't want to get caught on a balcony and with COVID and be confined to the 18th floor. Where am I going to go, right?
You're a power walker. I'm a power drinker, and I'm thirsty already with that one. So I think we're going to chat some more. I think we've got boerewors. Definitely have the beer thing. There's your beer. Cheers, my good friend.
Cheers to the new campground.
I'm going to light our fire. I got a surprise for you. I've got, I don't know if you can see this, big guy. We got that's called a boerewors. And it goes with the outfit today. We're feeling a little...
Is it the intestines of a horse? Did you say?
No, boerewors.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Mayor said the other day, Barry Knoll, that if you want a house in Greenwood now, it gotten to the point, because you brought the houses up in the first part of the conversation, is you almost have to bring your house.
Pretty much. That's how busy it's got.
I don't want to create the impression for people that there's another gold rush going on in the Boundary, because definitely we're not millionaires like the guy in Vancouver, but there is definitely a lifestyle, and there's a part of Greenwood that's suddenly exciting because people want to come and live here. But the point is, bring your house, come park it here on our new campground.
That's right.
And come help us make this the next story in Greenwood's history.
Buy some lots and build a house. The city's going to be selling quite a few city-owned pieces of property here soon. We're going to do the tiny homes. And
are you allowed to say that on camera? People, the city's going to sell some property. The Facebooks is going to start zinging and ringing with.
We have. Everybody knows the city has way too much property, and we are going to sell some of our property. So hopefully we can get some houses built on there, and houses, taxation, right? It helps everybody. So
we're going to make the Boundary go like it used to be. Place to come. It is a little hot, so I brought you one of the stickies to have a boerewors with the Cowboys. I'm going to turn the fire down. I guess.
You just nibble on the end of that, I guess.
Yeah, it's a little hot at the moment. Little hot. Cowboy wars is hot. We were telling people about our beautiful campground. We want people to come and camp their campgrounds here, but we ended up telling them to bring their houses with them. So, last question I want to leave you with. before you tell me how great the boerewors is what's the best part of Greenwood?
Living on the creek. That's where I live.
No, I'm up on the hill. I'm going to say it's up on the hill. But yeah, living on the creek. But if you want to give it a try, this is a place to be.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, come try a new campground.
This is a great little community here.
Yeah, good. Have a bite. Let me know what you think.
Okay. That's really good.
That's good, eh?
Did you spice that up? Special spice or?
No, this is the Buddha Underground in Kelowna. I don't even know what they put in. They don't tell me. They don't want to. Because every family in South Africa's got some. It's an old story. If I tell you, I have to shoot you.
Yeah, kill you. Yeah.
That's
Oh, that's pretty good.
It's good.